This is another part of me breaking my ice fidget. So I got this part poppet left. Whoa! That was a solid, nice one. I got the heart poppet out. So far, I've already got the heart poppet, the glow-in-the-dark poppet, the heart pocket. So I got these 4 poppets: glow-in-the-dark, heart, hexagon, and this. And then I got the monkey noodle, my homemade fidget. So now I have just the fidget spinner left. It's like stuck in the ice. Where'd it go? Oh my god! No, I got it. And that was me crushing all my ice blocks of fidgets. So yeah, see you guys next time.